Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a store on Shopify, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on Shopify in one of my stores on my dashboard, and this is a completely fresh made website. What you're going to want to do is sign up for Shopify. Just enter your credentials. If you want, you can sign in through Google or other services as well. And once you create an account, you'll be prompted to answer some questions, which you can skip. However, I do recommend you answer them since they are some general questions of what you want your store to look like, what you want your store to have, etc., etc. And once you fill out all the questions in that survey, you will be brought to your dashboard. From here, you can then go ahead and create other things on your site. As you can see, you have a setup guide here, which prompts you to add your products, design your online store, add a custom domain if you wish. You can name your store, set up shipping rates, set up a payment provider, and place a test order if you wish. And that is sort of the beginning steps which you need to make to actually set up your store and to launch it. Now, if you want to, you can also do these independent of this. You can go into products and you can add custom products or import from other services if you have them. You can go to collections and make collections of items. You can then go to inventory and set up your inventory and keep track of your inventory, for lack of a better word, your amount of items you have on stock. You can go to purchase orders and go through them. You can go to transfers and gift cards and set everything up there. You can go to orders, and if you have a premium plan, you can set up custom orders here, or people will order through your site and you'll see your orders over here as well. And you can also go to content to add meta objects and files to your site if you want to. You can go to customers and add custom customers if you want to. However, if somebody places an order, they'll appear here already. You can go into analytics and view your site analytics if you want to. You can go into marketing and set up a marketing campaign through this page. You can also view the analytics for your marketing. You can use these apps over here for your marketing. However, you can view more, and most likely you'll be able to integrate Facebook and Instagram as well as other meta products. You can go to discounts and set up gift codes and things like that, or you can go to your online store where you can set up the content of your page, such as blog posts, pages, navigation, and other preferences. Or you can go to themes, install a custom theme of how your website's going to look like, and once you add a theme, you'll have done by the default, by the way. You can go into customize, and then you can enter this sort of website maker screen where you can then go ahead and make changes and save them to change the aesthetics of your site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.